Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, I'm Kerri-Ann and today I will be making a 15-minute microwave fudge. This recipe is quick and easy. It reminds me of when I was growing up and my mother used to make fudge on the stove. So my brothers and I used to have tons stirring it, which felt like forever. So I decided to share this quick melt in your mouth fudge recipe with you. Allow it to cool, then enjoy. We've now come to the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!